Welcome back to AutoVibe. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is shaping up to be one of the most exciting off-road vehicles of the decade. Although it was originally planned to launch in 2024, the release has been delayed to early 2026 due to production and certification challenges. Despite the delay, this compact version of the legendary Land Cruiser has already gained global attention. Toyota is working to deliver a rugged, capable off-roader in a smaller and more affordable package, while staying true to the spirit of the Land Cruiser name. Toyota first revealed this model in 2023, drawing inspiration from the compact cruiser EV concept. The result is a bold and boxy design that instantly stands out. With an upright shape, high ground clearance, and tough exterior features, this vehicle is clearly built for outdoor adventure. It includes large all-terrain tires and a rear-mounted spare wheel, signaling its serious off-road capabilities. At around 177 inches long, 72 inches wide, and 72 inches high, with a wheelbase of 108 inches, the FJ is slightly larger than the Toyota Corolla Cross, but still smaller than the Toyota RAV4. This makes it compact enough for city driving, yet tough enough to handle dirt trails and rough terrain. What really makes the Land Cruiser FJ unique is its construction. Unlike many compact sport utility vehicles that use car-like platforms, this model is expected to feature a body-on-frame chassis. This type of structure is more durable and better suited for off-road driving. Reports suggest the FJ will share its platform with the Toyota Hilux Champ, a rugged pickup truck designed for demanding environments. The FJ is also expected to offer four-wheel drive and a Torsen limited slip differential, helping it maintain traction and control in challenging conditions. While Toyota has not officially confirmed the engine choices, many believe the base model will use a 2.7-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine that produces around 161 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. This engine is already proven in other Toyota vehicles, such as the Hilux Champ. In different parts of the world, engine options may vary based on regional needs and regulations. For example, North American versions may offer a more powerful engine, possibly similar to the one used in the Toyota RAV4, which delivers around 203 horsepower. A hybrid version is also possible in markets with strict fuel economy standards. Some rumors have mentioned a fully electric version, but Toyota has not confirmed any electric variant for now. The global release of the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is scheduled for early 2026. In Japan, starting prices are expected to range from about $26,600 to $30,000 United States dollars. In North America, the starting price is estimated to be around $35,000, with higher trim levels potentially reaching over $45,000. Even the most equipped versions are expected to remain more affordable than the larger Land Cruiser, which starts above $56,000 in the United States. With its eye-catching design, tough build, and flexible engine choices, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is made for real-world adventure. It is a perfect option for drivers who want a compact off-road vehicle that combines affordability with serious performance.